so I'm fixing my avatar. Okay, guys, so let's just get a mouse. I'm still moving. You want to see what? This is my sleep. Slowly. My clothes look like. Ah, God, I hate this. I don't know. I'm so. We're just. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So if you hear music, I'm doing. I'm just gonna. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna turn up my music. Because I'm going to go try to find that seashell. So, you know. Okay, sorry, I had to pause for a second. Hold on. So, just let me turn on my music. Okay, so bear with me, guys. And by the way, if you don't even know what I'm doing, I just found out there's a seashell. No. Hold on. So where is the beach at? I watch in build mode, okay. I can the build mode. Hit the town, let's go see. Found the chick, knocks me out. Now I know that she wants me. Okay, whoa. So I'm just gonna try over here first. I think it's over here, the beach. Whoa. Whoa, Jack. Don't call me mister. Because I'm breaking up with... Okay, this is okay. Ow. Wait. I cut. Okay. Is it done? it's not here. I'm just gonna look one more time. I'm just gonna have because I know it's here. So I'm just gonna. Okay, guys. So I've waited like a few minutes. Well, like a few seconds. So it's not always gonna respawn. Wait, I think I found it! Okay. You are the giant. Okay, guys, so that is it, boy. Okay. So I found the giant sea shell. Hey? Whoa. Okay, so if anyone watches this, please subscribe to my other videos. And if you want a shout out, or to just follow me and maybe join my games or something, because don't friend me, because I'm not allowed to be friends with anyone else, I know. Lols. So, that's pretty much it. That's how you find the seashell. So, bye.